Hi everyone, I'm Quinn, Joe Paasch's assistant at Adashun Jones Real Estate. Building a home is a dream for many, but where do you start? First, it's important to know that Signature Homes is a big part of the Adashun Jones family, providing expert craftsmanship. Joe is here to help you build more than just a house. It's about creating a spot to make new memories. Let's walk through the process. Phase 1 is planning and budgeting. You'll need to know your numbers and secure financing before anything else. Next, you'll find the perfect land. Whether it's in Fond du Lac or the Fox Valley, location is everything. Once you have the land, we move into design. Signature Homes works with you to pick a floor plan that fits your life. Then come the permits. Navigating local regulations can be tricky, but your team handles the red tape. Now, for the exciting part, breaking ground. The site is cleared and the foundation is poured. This is when your home really starts to take shape. Framing is like building the skeleton of your house. The exterior walls, roof trusses, and subfloors are all installed during this fast-paced phase. Once the roof is on, your home is dried in, meaning it's protected from the elements. Next, we run the mechanicals. That means plumbing, electrical wiring, and HVAC systems are installed. Inspections happen now to ensure everything is up to code before we close up the walls. Insulation is then added to keep your home energy efficient and comfortable all year round. The drywall goes up, and suddenly it feels like a real home inside. Sanding and priming follow. This is the foundation for your paint and wallpaper, so getting it smooth is key. Next, the interior painting begins. Your color choices finally start to bring the rooms to life. We're in the home stretch now with the interior trim, cabinets, and flooring installation. Countertops and cabinets are the focal points of your kitchen and bathrooms. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, or tile, the flooring ties every room together. Light fixtures, faucets, and switches are installed next. It's all in the details. These final mechanical connections mark the end of the major construction steps. Outside, we finish the driveway and landscaping to give your new home that curb appeal. Before you get the keys, you'll do a final walkthrough to ensure every detail is perfect. Any minor touch-ups are noted on a punch list and addressed immediately. Then, it's closing day. You sign the final papers and the home is officially yours. Congratulations, you've built your own home from the ground up. Time to move in and enjoy. Remember, Joe Paasch and Signature Homes are here to make this journey smooth and rewarding. If you're ready to start building your future, let's connect and make it happen. Check the link in my bio for more info. I'm Quinn, and we'll see you in your new home soon.